Hello everybody, welcome back to BareRose Garage here. Well, on that, to follow up on that shifter, hey, I got a ship cable that came with it, but as usual, there's a problem with it. I'll show you. This is the ship cable that came with it, just regular B&M one, you know, whatever. And looky here, it had a problem. Looks like it fell against the header, which is pretty common on these. And the header melted away, shrunk the housing here, and kind of popped the cable out through there. So I got to figure out how to fix this. You can see it's just a standard shifter cable. And this is another one here that I pulled off of an old Jeep. I'm going to try to make this into my kickdown cable. It's too short for a shift cable, but I think I can make it work for the kickdown. Anyway, I don't know if you've ever messed with these C6s, but that hard linkage, yeah, it's a pain in the butt to get in there, and I ain't got no room to run a hard linkage in there, so I gotta kind of come up with something else, which, I'm working it in. Anyway, so how to fix this one here? Let's get into it. Okay, let's give her a go here. First thing I got to do is get rid of all this shrunk up shielding here, where it melted it in there good. Make sure there's no wires in there. Okay, now she'll relax. Relax. Take it easy. Get her to line up there. Let's get the...
Here we go. Let's go all the way back to about here. That looks like the end of the nasty.
You can see here, the cable actually runs in like a plastic sheeting. These are on here to just kind of protect it, but I got no way of redoing that plastic sheeting right there. It's all melted now. It's like a plastic core that steel cable rides in right there. Gonna have to figure something else out for that.
Feeling for those wire cores there. Pretty sure I got them. Let's go from right here now. Can't get all the way through it there. I know it doesn't sound like much, but every penny you save is a penny you can put someplace else. So, yeah, sure, I'd go out and buy another one of these, but, you know, that's a couple $100 that I could be spending somewhere else. You can see where that's just melted itself right onto there. Doing surgery here. Yeah, how does that feel? Whoa, 10 times better. Now, get all of these. Come into play up to there. Just like that.
Okay, I got my, I usually have bigger ones, but I'm all out. So all I got is these little ones here. I've already started it here. I forgot to hit that little button, but you can see what I'm doing here. I just slide these on over. I've already started this one. You can see here where I've heated it. A lot on this side, and then just enough that I can slide this one over about that far. My little soldering torch locks it, keeps it going. I like these little guys. Shrink her in, shrink 'em a dink a dink a doo, shrink 'em a dink a doo. Here we go. Now while I'm doing this, I'm trying to keep that right in the center there. Okay, we'll try another one. Wish I had just one piece that I could do this with, but I don't, so it is what it is. Shrink her on up. That'll keep any dirt and debris out of her. And then we'll do one more on that one because that's a little bit flimsy. In fact, let's go all the way up and put another one right here. Just kind of double up on the seams. And then I'll hit it real heavy right there. Bring her right in. This is just a repair kit, one that I got here. Like I said, I usually got rolls of this stuff, but I think I left it at the other shop. Those ones I'm pretty happy with. But this one, we'll split the difference right about there. Bring her right on in. You do a lot of wiring, these little torches are awful handy for that. Sure saves burning yourself with a lighter. There we go. Good as new. And that'll stay down there and kind of protect it, keep it all together so it's not you know, I'm gonna put one right there just to kind of give it just a little more added protection right there. Now I'm not shrinking it all the way because I want it still to be a little loose in there. I don't want it to grab, per se, onto that. There we go, one more. This would have been a lot better with the roll, but it is what it is. Now that I built my casing like that, what I'll do is I'll find a piece of vacuum hose that's this diameter here. What is that, about 5/16? And then I'll split the vacuum line in half, wrap it over on this, and then I'll tape it up, and I'll do 2 more shrink wraps on both ends to cinch that down way out here. So it'll give it another casing right here as well. And that'll keep all of the crud and everything. Also, it'll be like an insulation barrier. So this thing will keep working just like this all its life. Anyway, quick little repair on a shifter cable, how to make her all better again. We're on BareRose garage here. I know it's not getting the metal hot, it's getting the plastic hot, but you get the drift. Meantime, get out there, play with some junk, try to make it work. If nothing else, if it breaks down on the side of the road, you can get these at any auto parts store. I can just swing in and grab one, crawl underneath and hook it up. I'll be good to go. In the meantime, get out there, play with some junk, and get that metal hot. We'll catch you on the next one.